Shannon Monique Beard,
Yes, Judge.
25247392.
I need another room.
Good morning, Judge Deanna, to you on behalf of Miss Shannon Beard.
I'd like to know if the victim is here on this case, either in person. Come on up here.
State your name.
Shannon Beard.
Right over there, it doesn't look like one, but that's a microphone on the jury box. You can go, you can stand outside the jury box. Come on over around here. And I just want to make sure we pick you up. What is your name?
Tariq.
Defendant pled guilty here, or no contest, I should say, to telephone harassment. And the plea was to be taken under section 771.1. Have you had a chance to review the report with her, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
I have, Your Honor, there are no additions, deletions, or corrections.
Anything you would like to say on her behalf?
Yes, Your Honor, when it comes to fines and costs, I would ask that you take into consideration that Ms. Beard is not employed at this time. She's looking for work. She does have.
Chris, I am.
Oh, she's employed.
Yeah, you're making good money. $1,200 a week, right?
And
Right?
she.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has 2 minor children, Your Honor, and she does have a personal protection order against the victim. Your Honor, this is a family matter. The children have been contacting Grandma, and Miss Beard is requesting that the victim not contact the minor children in this matter. And I'm stating that because I don't know if it's in the file that there's been a report that Miss Beard has been trying to contact the victim. She is not.
I'm gonna listen to everybody. I'm not gonna say anything at this point. And I just need to read you this. Did you see this note from Ms. Fowler?
I did, Judge.
And you covered it with your client?
I did.
What is the relationship between the two of them?
So the victim is the mother of Miss Beard's children's father. She's the.
Wait a minute, slow down.
I'm sorry.
She's the mother.
She's the paternal grandmother of Miss Beard's children.
Is that right?
That's correct. My son and her has been dating for 17 years.
Okay. And she has a PPO?
I have one out on her.
I thought you said she had
I
one.
have one as well, Your Honor. There is PPOs on both ends.
No, it's my first.
Okay, wait a minute, ladies.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything you want to tell me?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, she has an assault case in Taylor that's going on right now.
I read that. I read at least you said that you were assaulted on or
Yes,
about.
brutally assaulted.
What was the charge? Is it assault and battery or
No,
something?
they're trying to do disorderly conduct. And I'm upset about that. And this phone harassment case, she's been phone harassing me for 7 years.
I'm having a hard, hang on. I want everybody to stop right now. I'm having a hard time with this. I really am. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I mean, I've said it before here. If we all lived until we're 890, then, you know, you could take a few years and be a screwball. We don't have that long on this planet. I don't know why this would go on between the mother of man. Now, I want to caution you.
I'm just
Ma'am, well, you're kind of acting, so far your body language is telling me that there are reasons that you think that your conduct was justified. If I misread that, that's fine. Maybe I did. I want to read some of the things I read in the report. She's reporting to the police that you've been harassing and threatening her over the last year. She says she's told the police that she told you to stop contacting her and you haven't. She says that you're using Denzel Lamont's phone number. Is that your son?
Yes,
And Denzel Lamont's son's phone to call her because Sheena Beard knows, because you know that she's blocked your number.
yes, sure.
She says you told her over multiple phone calls that you have a CPL and will use it. Do you have a CPL?
Not anymore, Your Honor.
Did you then?
Yes, I did.
She also says you threatened, quotes, to kill her, quotes, kick her ass, and wish death upon her. Now, I gotta tell you, at least where I come from, how do I put this delicately? How do I put it delicately? My wife is a wonderful grandmother. I'm not here to talk about my wife. I don't think we have enough support systems to turn down help from somebody else. And now you don't want her to call her grandkids, which I think is just...
Your Honor, can I speak? I'm sorry.
No, you can go ahead.
I'm sorry. When I was agreeing with you earlier, I was agreeing that it's been going on for too long. It's family issues. She doesn't feel me and my kids are her family. I have screenshots, I have messages as well. This has been going on for too long. They have assaulted me before. Her and her two daughters as well as Denzel. I'm in a toxic, abusive relationship with her son. That's the part she don't mention. They all have attacked me before at one time together. I have messages where she was just telling Denzel to tell me the kids are not hers, the kids are not his, they need to be took by CPS. F me, she sent us, it's been going on and it's not just on my end. Your Honor, it's a family issue because of a toxic relationship. That is the truth.
How do you get along with your son?
Oh, it hasn't been good since she's entered our life, since I let her in when it was 17 and 18,
years.
16 and 18.
I met Denzel at 14, Your Honor.
And she lived with me half of the time.
Ladies, I can't pick you both up.
But
Maybe,
Your Honor, she has assaulted me, this is what's not being on the record, 4 times. This is the 4th incident that I have put up with her assaulting me. This is the 4th incident that they won't let me get out on the record.
Pivotal courtroom moment. The judge has listened to both sides describe years of conflict, accusations, and alleged assaults, but now he's shifting from hearing complaints to issuing consequences. When he mentions revoking the defendant's 771 status, 333, that's not just courtroom language. It's a serious warning. Under this arrangement, the defendant has an opportunity to avoid a lasting conviction if she follows the court's rules, but the judge is making it crystal clear racial contact could immediately jeopardize that opportunity and result in jail time. Here's the big question for viewers. After hearing both sides, do you think this situation is primarily a harassment case, or has it become a larger family dispute that spiraled out of control?
I'm not going to comment other than to say this is going to stop. I promise you it's going to stop. If it doesn't stop, you're going to force me to do something I don't want to do, but I will do anytime if I find out you have any contact with her. You will have your 771 status revoked, and you will go to jail for 90 days. So if it's worth it to you,
No, Your Honor.
if it's worth it to you, just call her one time and test me.
No, Your Honor. I just have a question. If I could just say one thing. The last time I was here, Your Honor, she told the prosecutor that I was contacting her. That was not true. Then the prosecutor came to me the next time and said, she reneged.
She says on August 17th to 24, a block number called 29 times from 8:37 until 9:42 in the evening.
That's correct.
That's a black number. That's not my number, and that's August of 2025.
Ladies, I can't pick up 2 people talking at the same time. I just can't do it. She's got to take down everything that's being recorded here. I don't know what to tell you two. I can't solve this. I cannot solve this. If you guys want to go on being like this, where there's animosity between live-in girlfriends or spouses or whatever the case may be, and grandparents and children not seeing their grandmother, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. I cannot solve every single problem sitting here. I think it's sad. I think it's extremely sad. I think you got an anger issue, and I know you're going to stop calling her like this. I know that if some grandmother has to block a phone number of somebody who is the mother of her grandchildren.
She said they're not hers. She said that she needed to get took and was talking about my kids. She don't believe they're
That's been
hers.
correct.
I apologize.
You're not helping yourself. You want to help yourself? Listen to me talk. You don't want to help yourself? Keep interrupting me and keep interrupting her. I don't know what to tell you. But I'm dead serious. I'm serious as a heart attack when I say if you contact her again, you're going to have a massive problem with me. 12 months probation unless somebody has something else to say, I'm ready to sentence. You have something else to say?
That's it,
You have something else to say?
No, Your Honor.
You have anything else to say?
No, Judge, thank you.
12 months probation, you cannot, I'll take it under 771.1, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. No contact with Cherie Fowler. You cannot write, phone, see, text, email, or communicate with her in any way or have anybody else do any of those things. For you on your behalf, I'm not threatening, I'm promising you contact her, you're going to jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not to possess firearms. You're not to possess dangerous weapons. You're to attend an anger management program with 8-week follow-up.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are to serve 3 days on the court work program. There's a $35 a day charge for that. That's $105. Again, no firearms, no dangerous weapons. The threats thing I don't get. I just don't understand the threats. All the violence goes on out here. It's just insane to me. 100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, $60 screening fee. For 485, probation fees are 240 for 725, charging attorney fees of 40 for 765 plus court work program fees. 870 is your total. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. You do everything I said. I'll be happy to dismiss this case. It will be on motion of the prosecutor in a year. So I'm going to need a review hearing date. And also, by the way, why do you think you don't have to take care of warrants?
I am, Your Honor.
You are going to do, listen to me. You're to clear all warrants within 21 days. Do we understand one another?
Yes, I thought it was 60 days.
They recommended 60. I think it'd be nice. You stop doing this.
Okay, I agree.
All right, now, give me a review hearing date, Lisa.
May 13th of 26 at 9 o'clock.
God willing, May the 13th of 26 at 9 o'clock. We'll all be back here. I'm telling you. Will you please think about what I'm saying?
I hear you.
Don't you think it's important for grandparents to be with their grandchildren? I sure do.
I do, but she don't want to be a part of my kids.
Can I ask you a question?
It's nothing.
I'm not condoning her conduct here at all. I think I've made that abundantly clear. Do you believe I've made that clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't think they're her your grandkids?
Your Honor, I have concerns about those children being my son's grandkids.
All right, well, but you don't have any proof, so wait. That's hurtful things to say if you're not correct. Do you understand?
My son.
That is hurtful.
My son has said it.
Well, then maybe
He said because Ms. Beard was gonna take him for child support because he works at Forest and he said he was gonna receive a paternity test.
Okay, well, maybe you should go get one. I don't know what to
That's
tell
what
you.
I told him.
Review hearing, May 13th, 26, 9 a.m. Ma'am, can you pay all of this today?
No.
How much can you pay today?
I can do $100.
And then how much can you pay weekly? You got a good job. Can you
I
pay
can do
$75 a week?
Yes.
75 a week, you get paid every week, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna start this beginning June the 6th. If you ever don't have the money, no problem, don't be afraid. I'm easy to get along with if you don't ignore me. So you call the court, or you come in here on or before the due date, I'll be more than happy to give you an extension. Just don't ignore me. I'm not so nice, okay? Good luck to you both. I wish you well.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Marcia.
3. In the end, the court's focus wasn't on solving every family disagreement. It was on stopping the behavior that brought the case into court. The judge accepted the plea under Section 771.1, placed the defendant on 12 months of probation, no contact with the complainant, required anger management classes, imposed court fees and work program obligations, and made it unmistakably clear that any violation could result in probation revocation and up to 90 days in jail. C2-3. What makes this case compelling is that beneath the legal issues lies a fractured family relationship involving grandparents, parents, and children, with years of unresolved conflict fueling the tension. 3-0. The judge repeatedly emphasized that ongoing hostility benefits no one and warned both sides about the consequences of continuing down the same path. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.